If it's clear and yellow, you've got juice there, fella. If it's tangy and brown, you're in cider town. Now, there's two exceptions, and it gets kind of tricky here.
You can stay, but I'm leaving.
Can be yellow if they're using late season apples. And of course, in Canada, the whole thing's flip-flop. Oh my!
Ever wondered what The Simpsons would look like in stunning 4K? Today I'll show you how to upscale any video to 4K using AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. First, start by launching the software and dragging in your low-resolution clip. Choose the upscale to 4000 or set the output resolution to 4000. You can also choose the AI model for most cases. For videos like this, Ultra gives smoother lines and better color correction. Now preview and check it. When it's okay, click Start Processing. The time duration depending on your system and video length. That's how you upscale your videos to 4000 with AVCLabs. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI-powered video tips. See you in the next one.